you ever want some kind of sauce and you think, I don't know what to do? You go to the store, you look at hopefully you're looking at the label, and you look at all the crap that's in there, but you want to make something nice and clean and great. This is your sauce. This is my Tamari curry stir fry sauce. We're going to start with coconut oil, probably around 2 tablespoons, like 30 mils, just to give it a nice base to get everything rolling. And I have I have 1 onion here, just chopped, and we're gonna get that sauteing. So that's gonna whoop it up a bit. Now we're gonna add some garlic, just 1 clove. And if you don't want garlic in here, that's okay. If you want more, give her. And I have about like a thumb, like a little knuckle of ginger. I'm just gonna roughly chop it. Once the vegetables are all soft, we're going to puree it anyways down into a beautiful sauce. So that's good enough. We're just gonna throw that in there. You can hear it sizzling. Okay, so once these onions are soft, let's add some liquid. So I have right here 2 cups of Tamari, so that's like 500 mils of liquid. So Tamari is just gluten-free soy sauce. I like to use Tamari. So I'm just gonna pour that in. And then this here is a cup of red wine, just whatever red wine you have lying around, if that's even possible. It's not for me, so I had to save this for this recipe. And then we're gonna bring this up to boil. So what I have here is my curry blend. So I have 3 tablespoons of curry blend. Just check out that video for the curry blend. I have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, so that's 15 mils. And then I have 1 cup, 250 mils of coconut sugar. So what's gonna happen now is we're going to let this simmer for about 1.5 hours. So it needs to reduce down to by half, but you want to puree it somewhere in between. So maybe in about 45 minutes you want to puree it with the hand blender, so it's all nice and smooth, and then reduce it for another 45 minutes. So what's gonna happen then is you're gonna have a beautiful sauce that you can add to your stir fry. You can add it to soups to give it some oomph. You can add it to ground beef for meatballs or hamburgers. You can even use it on salmon fillet and bake it. So this is a very versatile sauce, and there's no crap in it. So you can last in the fridge for about 2 to 3 months, easy. I hope that inspires you.